Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over some Walgreens clearance finds. Some items are up to 90% off. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just in case anybody missed it, I did upload the Dollar General clearance update and new penny list video earlier this morning, so I will have that video linked in the pinned comment down below for you. And I also wanted to go ahead and share my Walgreens haul with you from last week. I ended up waiting till Thursday or Friday to go in to do these deals because I was hoping that my store's Catalina machine would start working again, but unfortunately it is still down. It's not printing register rewards, it's not printing boosters, it's not even printing those 20% off coupons that we get like 100 of every single week. So I decided to go in and use my store register rewards on products that were giving me back Ibotta rebates. So retail for everything that you see here was $74.51. And again, I used my store register rewards to pay for most of it, and then I used Walgreens cash as well. So out of pocket was $5.25, but then I got back $13.10 on Ibotta. Alright, now first up for this week at Walgreens, we do have a couple of free 8x10 photos. So you can use the code FREETHANKS. It is FREETHX, and you can use this code up to 2 times on your account and get 2 free 8x10 photos this week. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and take a look at these Walgreens clearance finds. Now, keep in mind that clearance varies from store to store. It may be on clearance at one store, but then the next store 10 minutes down the road, it may still be full price. So if you see an item and if you're not sure about it, just take it up to the register and ask the employees to price check it for you. Now, another thing to keep in mind is that we may have some digital coupons that will go along with these items. So, for instance, we just saw the Shea Moisture products. I know we just received new digital and insert coupons for those. Now, next up here is a category that y'all need to be on the lookout for. We have all kinds of phone accessories that are ringing up 90% off right now. So I found a total of 3 of those portable battery packs. They were normally $19.99, but right now they are only $1.99, and those were unmarked clearance. And then you also have the car charger plugins and the charging cords, both at 90% off right now. So again, if you see some of these items, they may or may not be marked. It is definitely worth picking up and going up to the register and asking the employees to price check them for you. Alright, now our next little category of items are on the vitamins and medicines. There are a lot of really cheap deals out there right now. Specifically, you want to be on the lookout for the Zarbee's because we do have a digital coupon, and I'm pretty sure we have one on the coupons.com app as well. And you never know, we may have an Ibotta rebate that will pop up for us later on in the week. Alright, now for our next little category of items, we have makeup clearance, and we have tons and tons and tons and tons of makeup on clearance right now. We do have digital coupons as well as insert coupons and coupons on the coupons.com app. So definitely scope out your stores and see if you can find some good deals. And I'm pretty sure, if I'm remembering correctly, you guys please correct me in the comment section down below if I am wrong, but I believe that we have a promotion for when you spend $20 on cosmetic products, you're going to get back a $5 register reward. I believe that promotion runs through the end of November, but again, if I'm wrong, please correct me in the comments and I will put that correction in the pinned comment right down below this video. Now, another thing that you want to keep an eye on is your Ibotta app. We typically get rebates on CoverGirl, Maybelline, L'Oreal. Those kind of cycle in and out. Right now, I know that we have a $4 rebate back on the CoverGirl face products. So when you're in the store, you can pick up the CoverGirl that is on clearance. Make sure that you scan it to see if it will match up with that rebate. You could come out with some freebies or even some money makers. Now, if you guys are finding anything different at your stores and you want to share it with your crazy couponing family here, feel free to leave those clearance finds down in the comment section below. Or if you would like to send in a picture, you can send it to my email, which is crazycoupons1@gmail.com. Or you can send it to Instagram, and my handle over there is @crazycoupons, and I will leave that information in the pinned comment down below. Alright guys, so we are almost to the end of the video now, and I wanted to go ahead and let you all know that I will have another Walgreens video coming up here shortly. I've already put in 2 pickup orders this morning, and I do plan on trying to go to the store and do some register reward deals. So you guys make sure that you have those notifications turned on so that you will be notified anytime I upload a new video. And if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.